Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 5th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Overall energy for this week for Cappies, we have the consciousness. The more you are going to stay in tune with your own energies, the more your consciousness is going to expand. What is the meaning of consciousness? The meaning of consciousness is our awareness of understanding things, people, and situations. Okay, the more we stay in touch with ourselves, the more we will be able to see the reality and truth about the things and people and situations and everything around us, including our own self. That is consciousness. Expanding our consciousness means trying to understand things on a deeper level, right? So for this particular week, you guys are called for expanding your consciousness, expanding your awareness, so that you can understand certain things or lessons or blessings of your life on a deeper level, and not to think negative about them, not to think why the hell the universe keeps on giving me these kind of energies. So expanding your consciousness is the overall energy for this week for you guys, like a homework. I'm giving you a homework today, right? Let's see what we have, the messages for you guys for this week. For today, it's isolation. Something is hurting you. Something is hurting you or bothering you from deep inside, and you are trying your best to freeze that pain, freeze that emotion. Instead of letting it come out, you're like, I'm not going to tell it to anybody. I'm not going to express it to anybody because they might feel like I'm weak or something. Or if I'm going to express or tell someone, they might know about it and it's going to be a shit show. So it's like you trying to hide some kind of pain or emotions from everyone instead of letting them out. I'm not telling you to take a mic and use a loudspeaker. I'm trying to tell you here is, if you feel like crying, just cry. If you feel like shouting, just shout. Maybe not anybody else, just in front of the mirror. Maybe you can punch a pillow. This is actually a exercise a lot of mental health practitioner give to their patients, clients. So you can punch the pillow until unless you are going to feel like this is all coming out. You can shout. You can go somewhere where you can shout and you can cry your heart out. So instead of suppressing it, try to let it come out, so that it's going to be normal for you. You are going to feel lighter about it. 30th, we have the totality. So whatever you are going to put your effort, energy, time, and resources into, do that with your 100% totality. Give your 100% in whatever you are trying to achieve here. Okay, do it with all of your heart and soul. And if you feel like taking help from somebody in order to achieve something meaningful and good in your life, don't refrain from taking the help, asking for help. What if anybody, what if they're going to say no? So what? You should not have that kind of ego. Anyone of should not have that kind of ego. That what if the other person is going to reject us? Rejection is actually protection, and rejection is actually helping us to go upwards towards spiritual growth and towards spirituality. For me, rejection or people saying no or somebody hurting me is now fuel for me to go more and more upwards towards my spiritual growth. So that can also help you guys. Osho's and tarot messages are spiritual messages, totally spiritual messages. Lot of people can't, lot of people are not able to understand them. Even if I'm trying my best to keep them as simple as possible, a lot of people are like, hey, this is not resonating me. This will not. Until unless you are going to do something to receive these messages, they will not. Anyways, so whatever you are going to do, give your 100%, and if you feel like taking help, please don't refrain from taking help, even if it is going to be like a no from the other side. 1st of October, we have the existence. So you might have the question sometimes, why the universe made me like this, why my destiny is like this. I want to change my destiny, I want to change my looks, I want to look like this actor or this actress, or I want to look totally different. The existence made you exactly the way you should be. You are totally unique person, you are totally different energy, and the existence wanted your energy only the way it is. So the more you are going to stay in truth and reality of who you are and what you are, and accept it with love and compassion, the more existence is going to stay in touch with you, or the vice versa, right? So stay truthful, stay honest, and love yourself, accept yourself for what you are and who you are, and existence is also going to love you back. You cannot, you know, you cannot question existence like, why you made me like this, because you were supposed to be like this. Whatever you are doing, you're watching my video, you were supposed to watch this video today at this moment only. That's why. So you are unique, okay, you are different, and the existence wanted you like this only. Accept it, accept yourself, love, compassion. 2nd of October, we have the comparison. I don't know why I felt like I'm going to get this card today, right now. So, honey, Capricorn, this card comes in your readings like very often, right? So, if you have this tendency to compare your journey with others, to compete with others all the time, and thinking I should be better than them, I should be achieving a lot of things, I should be, like this or like them or like that. This is foolishness. Comparison is foolishness. I just told you that existence made you for a very valid reason. And your only job here is to love yourself, self accept yourself, and take care of yourself instead of comparing yourself with others. You cannot compare an oak tree with a, what we have, sugarcane tree, bamboo tree. They totally have two different personalities, although they are plants, although they are trees only, but they are totally different different characteristics, different uses, different everything. Even if you guys are going to tell me, okay, what about two bamboo trees, then they are also different. They are also going to have totally different kind of energies and vibrations. Hmm? So comparison is foolishness. We are here with unique characteristics, unique energies, and a unique karmic cycle. So stop this, stop doing this nonsense. If somebody else is trying to do that with you, just laugh at them and leave them behind. Just tell them to get out. Just kidding. First, second, third, completion. You are about to find the missing piece of the puzzle. You might not be able to complete a project, you might not be able to find a solution to a problem from a very long time, and you're working, not able to get it. You might be in this energy of giving up on something right now because you feel like it's not happening, I'm not getting the answer, not getting the solution. You are about to get the solution of a problem that you are facing in a particular direction from quite a long time now. So this is like about a completion of something. Do not give up, just keep going. You are about to hit the jackpot here in some area of your life. Hmm? Energetic jackpot, not the money wise, maybe that also, I don't know. First, second, third, fourth, we have the breakthrough. See, 4th of October, you guys are going to have a breakthrough, the aha moment, like, oh my god, bingo, okay, finally I got it, finally I got the answer, finally I got the solution, finally I'm getting that, it's like you're researching, or you're searching and searching and searching from a very long time, and it's not happening, and boom, bingo, you are having a breakthrough. For some of you, it's like a breakthrough in your career, in your health, and in your connection relationship area. Okay, for some of you, it's a breakthrough in your spiritual energy, if you are on the spiritual path by any chance. But it's going to be like an aha moment for you guys, where you are going to realize, this is what I was waiting for, this is what I was craving for, and now it's here. Awesome. With as my age is increasing, this chain thing is becoming more and more visible. Wrinkle on the neck or what, I don't know. I like it though. It's like here also. Okay, 5th of October, we have the exhaustion. Now, you are not a machine, Capricorn. You are a human being. In the previous week, also, I made you guys say it to me that you are not a robot, you are a human. So, exhausting yourself to the level of feeling like a robot or feeling like a dead body is not a good idea. Focus on the quality instead of the quantity. Okay, and from time to time, take breaks. Even if you are on a very, very important mission of the world, like that nobody can do, nobody can handle that. Try to take breaks from time to time, because you have limited time on this planet earth as a human, and you are going to die someday. So don't make your life a robotic kind of life, like you're just waking up, doing your thing, and you're exhausting yourself, sleeping and getting up and doing your thing. Don't do that. You're not living your life, you are exploiting your life. Okay, let me see the guidance for you guys for this week, Cappies. So we have the nothingness or nothingness. See, the brand new chapter, the clean slate that you're hoping for or waiting for, you have to create that for yourself, Capricorn. You guys have this tendency to flip the page, to rewrite your script, and making yourself the central character of your whole story. So this nothingness, this clean slate, this brand new chapter, brand new beginning, you have to create it for yourself, and for that you have to let go of lot of past people, situations and things and traumas and whatnot. So rewrite your story. You have the capacity, but have the courage to understand like what you have to let go of in order to start that rewriting. Hmm? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.